Hi everyone. So I'm playing this game. It's called Crowd City, and I'm playing this for the first time. So let's see how it goes. So I don't know what to do over here. Okay, I think I have to kill somebody because at the top I can see that there are mentioned. Okay, so as the name of the game suggests, that I have to make as much crowd as possible, I guess. But I have zero kills, which is clearly not good. So maybe I don't know how to play this game. So the thing that I'm doing is that I am trying to get as much crowd as possible, as many members present to my. Okay, so a timer is going over there. I can now I noticed it that it's decreasing, but I have zero kills, which is clearly not good. Oh my god, you have been killed by the flying mouse. Okay, okay, so now I got the drill. So I have to make as much crowd as possible in order to win this game. Good, good. Maybe, yeah, maybe I'll try this time. Okay, so let me try once again. But in the meanwhile, I don't know why the sounds are not there in the game. I tried to switch on the sound, but there are not any buttons for sound. Okay, let it be. We will directly play. So yeah, now I have got the drill. I have to make my crowd as much big as possible. Okay, here are so many customers. I will destroy this one. I will destroy this crowd. The foot long fry. I'm not gonna leave you. Okay. So basically, what we can do is that we can go to the team of low strength, and then when we can increase our team members. See, I killed all of them. Now I am having the highest count of 90 members. I will destroy every team. There is the team size with 50 members. I'm going to target that one because I have clearly a leading number. Okay, but there is one team with 154 members. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now I think I have the highest count. Extra time. Get it or no thanks? What should I do, guys? Okay, so clearly I am first, but I should give a naming game, right? So yeah, let me try. Yeah, so I changed my name. It's called Nix Crowd, and I also changed the skin. It is like a snake. So now let's try. Now let's play again. So we will increase our size. Now I'm having two snakes. Four snakes, perfect. Okay, there is a team with very. Oh, he's escaping real fast. Anyway, see, the snakes are going to eat the elephant. Yes, I did it. And even the petty. What was that? Okay, now I'm having a strength of 45. I'm going to target one group. Which group will it be? Oh my god, there is a crowd of 40 members. I should escape. I'm having 65, so I'm good. Yeah, now I'm leading. I have the no. Okay, there is a count of 34 people, so I can eat them. Yeah, I will clear them all. 30 seconds left. Oh my god. Come on, guys. I will eat you all. I did it. So Nick's crowd is leading. Now I'm going to target some other team. And here comes the crowd. Can you see the number of snakes? But this game would have been better if there would have been some sound kind of thing. Yes, I really want some extra time. Okay, again I came. No, this time I came second. Nick's crowd. Okay, no worries. We will try a different skin this time, and then yeah, we will try this skin this time, and then we will play. And we will play as much fast as possible because the faster you play, it will be good for you. Meanwhile, I am also okay. Sorry about that. See, there is a team with 9 members, and all I have is 11, so I should not get so too close. Okay, 10. Come on. I will eat you guys. And yes, I did it, I guess. Okay, they are trying to escape, but where will they? Where will they go? Good. I ate all, covered all. I'm going to target a different crowd. Okay, so many people are there, so we will increase our 55, 73. Oh my god, I should escape. Did you just see that? My size got reduced. So in totally I'm not going to win this game. This time I will have to lose. 30 seconds left, and I know that I'm not going to win this round because I don't have enough crowds. So yeah, basically the game says that it's crowd city, right? And if you do not have enough members in your team, then how are you going to win? It's impossible. So this game is good. You can try it out. This time our rank is 7. It's not that good, but yeah, this game is good. It would have been better if there would have been some sound kind of thing. The graphics is good, and even it's fun. So yeah, give it a shot. Thank you for watching my video. I am signing off.